Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode, I will be installing the CDEFG real tempered glass screen protector. I will be installing this on my 8-inch Infotainment 3 system, which is in my 2019 Chevy Silverado All-Star Edition double cab with a V8 5.3 liter Ecotec 3 engine, dynamic fuel management, and an 8-speed automatic transmission. About 8 months ago, I had installed one of these on my Infotainment 3 system. I did not do an installation video, but about a month ago, I had to take the Silverado in to have the display screen checked out because every now and then it would go completely blank. It would still function perfectly, but it would be completely blank. Chevy checked it out and come to find out they had to replace just the display screen with a brand new one. So now I need to install a new tempered glass screen protector. And I will say this screen protector is a piece of cake to install. It was on there for 8 months. I never dusted it, never got one single fingerprint. And the feel of this is much better than this, the actual screen that is on the display. And most important is that this will protect that screen from scratches, breaks, smudges, oil from your fingertips, anything. So if you got a little kid in the back seat that decides to throw a toy at the display screen, it's not going to break it. Well, it might break this, but it won't break the display screen, and then you just peel this off and put on a new one. But it is real glass, real tempered glass. It is not plastic. So let's go ahead, jump in the vehicle, and I will show you how to install this. And like I said, it is a piece of cake, so let's go ahead and get started. I do need to mention where I bought this at, Amazon.com, just under $12 with sales tax. This is possibly the best 12 bucks you could spend for a mod on your truck, actually the cheapest, because I'm sure those display screens are probably $200 to $300. And if you have any little rugrats that like to throw things, I suggest you get one of these. It's only 12 bucks, piece of cake to put on. So now let's get on with the install. So this is what the tempered glass case comes in. It has a 9H hardness, oil-free, bubble-free installation, original touch, but I think it feels better than the actual infotainment system screen display. And it is real tempered glass. So inside the box, the glass screen protector. This is the back. This is where you will peel off the backing. And of course, this is the front. Installation instructions. Here you get the installation tools, which consist of alcohol prep pad, a cloth to wipe the screen with, and 2 tape touch pads, which you will use to remove any dust that is on the screen. Also comes with a suction cup that is to be placed in the upper right-hand corner on the tempered glass screen protector. So the first thing you're going to do is to open up your alcohol prep pad. And if you still have the original plastic protector on here, go ahead and pull it off. Go ahead and wipe the screen really good. And then you're going to take the cloth and dry it. And you might want to do this on a non-windy day or do it in the garage. Now what I had cleaned the inside of the vehicle really well. And it looks dust-free to me. And then you're going to go ahead and take the dust removal tape strips and just go all along it, just to be sure, or I mean all over the screen, just to be sure you get everything. You can even do the edges just to make sure. And then just double check, look at it real good. That looks good. Now what I did was I put about 4 layers of 2-inch packaging tape along the bottom. This is going to help me to keep it from putting it too low on the screen. If I wasn't doing the filming, I could probably get it in one shot. But since I have to sit off to the side, I need something to help me to sit it on there so I get it nice and even. Otherwise, I'll end up, making it crooked, and I don't want that. So here's the screen. Of course, this is the back of the screen. There's a little yellow pull tab right here, and it does say back. What you're going to do, turn the screen over, place the suction pad on the upper right-hand corner, push it on there. Then you're going to go ahead and pull off the backing. And what you might also want to do is to take your alcohol prep pad and just wipe your hands down with it. Go ahead and pull off the backing. Be very careful not to touch the back of the glass. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit it right on top of that tape that I had put. And let me take a little look real quick. Okay, here we go. I'm going to go ahead and push it on. And to get this suction cup off, just squeeze it, just like that. And as you can see, all the air bubbles come out all by themselves. Go ahead and pull this off. And then what you can do is just help it along a little bit. There you have it. The feel on this is a lot better than the original glass that is on the Infotainment 3 system. Now, like I said earlier, if you have a little rug rat that's going to throw a toy at the front screen, it'll hit this. It's not going to damage the screen on the Infotainment 3 system. If anything, it'll just bounce off. If the little kid hit it pretty hard, it might crack this. But that's what you want. This is the protector, just under $12 on Amazon. And what I would probably do, if you're going to order it, go ahead and order 2 of them. It's only 12 bucks each. You'll have a backup in case anything happens, or if you screw up the installation. That is why I put that little piece of tape on there, because on the first one I did 8 months ago, I got it slightly crooked. And I figure the next time I do it, I'm going to go ahead and put that tape on there. And that's it. So here we go. Let me go ahead and turn on the radio. I'll show you that it functions perfect.
Started getting this extra money in.
No, I guess because I don't have the car running, it's not going to do the battery backup. I mean the backup camera. And I don't have the key with me. Well, anyway, you get the gist of it. You can see that the screen works perfect. Yeah, let's see. Perfect. There you have it. My real tempered glass screen protector on my 8-inch diagonal Infotainment 3 system, which is on my 2019 Chevy Silverado. Well, that's a wrap up on another how-to video with Paul Henderson. This one was the installation of the CDEFG real tempered glass screen protector. If you like this video, hit like, hit the subscribe button, and you'll get notifications as new videos come out. And like all my other videos, I do have bloopers at the end, so stay for those. And I guess that's it. So hope your day is smudge free. I always try to think of something to say at the very end that goes along with what I just did. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and have a smudge free day. Thanks. Now, 8 months ago, I had installed one of these on my damn it, motherfucker. Okay, at least the first one was pretty good. Oh man. Real tempered glass screen protector. I will be doing this on my Infotainment 3 system, which is on my 2019 Chevy Silverado double cab, All-Star Edition, and I got that backwards one more time. I will be installing this on my 8-inch Infotainment 3 system, which is in my Chevy Silverado All-Star Edition. Fucking bitch. I still like the first one better. So there we go. So let's go ahead and jump in the vehicle and I show you how it's done. And now there's a fucking plane going overhead. Goddamn motherfucker. Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode, I will be installing the CDEFG real tempered glass screen protector. I will be installing this on my 8-inch Infotainment 3 system, which is in my 2019 Chevy Silverado. So let's go ahead and jump in the vehicle and I will show you how to install it. It is a piece of cake, but like all my other videos, I'm sure it's not going to go as smooth as I want. Probably take about 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 takes. I think this intro took 12. I did have it shipped to my Amazon locker, which is at my gym. You can also have it shipped to your house. And one more take because there was a car going by. Bitches. So if you got some little rugrats that are kind of like rambunctious and like to throw things, I would suggest you get one of these to protect your infotainment screen system. Thanks. So let's get on with the install. Damn it. Test 1, test 2, test 3. Well, that's a wrap up on another how-to video with Paul Henderson. This one was the installation of the CDEFG real tempered glass screen protector. If you like this video, hit like. It should be right here. No,